Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some essential tips for new drivers to help you avoid common mistakes and stay safe on the road. Getting your driver's license is a huge milestone. It's exciting. It means more freedom and it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. But with that freedom comes a huge responsibility. And that's what I really want to emphasize in this video. It's not just about passing your test. It's about building safe driving habits that will last a lifetime. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk about road signs. They're everywhere and for good reason. Think of them like the language of the road. You wouldn't ignore someone trying to have a conversation with you, right? Speed limits, stop signs, yield signs. They're all there to keep traffic flowing smoothly and safely. Ignoring them is a recipe for disaster, and I've seen it firsthand. Fender benders, people slamming on their brakes, road rage. It's not pretty. Take it seriously, guys. Learn what the signs mean, pay attention to them, and obey them. It's that simple. Trust me, your insurance premiums will thank you. All right, let's talk about following distance. Ever had someone practically sitting in your backseat while you're driving? Yeah, not a fun feeling, is it? That's called tailgating, and it's a major no-no. Here's the thing, if the car in front of you slams on the brakes and you're too close, you're going to hit them. It's just physics, people. And trust me, even a small fender bender can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, increased insurance rates, and in some cases, even legal fees. The rule of thumb is to keep at least a 3-second following distance. More if the weather's bad. That gives you enough time to react and brake safely. Next up, blind spots. Those pesky areas your mirrors can't quite catch. We all have them, and they can be dangerous if you're not careful. Imagine this, you're about to switch lanes, you check your mirrors, it looks clear, so you start to merge, and bam! The car you didn't even see is right there. It happens all the time, and it's completely avoidable. The solution? Shoulder checks, my friends. Before changing lanes, always take a quick glance over your shoulder to double-check that the coast is clear. It takes a split second and could save you a whole lot of trouble. Okay, this one's huge, and I can't stress it enough. Put the phone down while you're driving. Seriously, it can wait, I get it. We live in a world where everyone's constantly connected. But when you're behind the wheel, your phone is a weapon. Texting, scrolling, even just glancing at a notification. It all takes your attention away from the road and increases your risk of an accident exponentially. And it's not just about texting anymore, right? We've got social media, GPS, music streaming. It's tempting, I know, but resist the urge. Put your phone on silent, toss it in the glove compartment, whatever it takes. Last but not least, let's talk about car maintenance. Just like you wouldn't skip your annual checkup with the doctor, your car needs regular checkups too. Think about it. You're putting a lot of wear and tear on your vehicle every time you drive. Oil changes, tire rotations, brake checks. These aren't just suggestions, they're crucial for keeping your car running smoothly and safely. And honestly, a little preventative maintenance can save you a ton of money in the long run. Ignoring a small problem now could lead to a major and expensive repair down the road. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more driving advice and safety tips. Drive safe. Remember, guys, driving is a privilege, not a right. It's a huge responsibility, and it's up to each and every one of us to do our part to keep the roads safe for everyone. So be alert, be responsible, and be safe. We'll see you in the next video.